So my dealer is 16. 8 and 7 is 15, and 5 is 20. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 11 is 17. 7, 18, and 2 is 19. 19 and 4 is 23. So I went over 21. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make the ace 1. 3 and 3 is 6, 7, 9, 13. 10 and 5 is 15, and 4 is 19. Ace and 7 is 18. There, the ace is going to be worth 11. 6 and 3 is 9, and 6 is 15. 7 and 10 is 17. Now, when I count the cards here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means my denominator is going to be 32. 52 minus the 20 cards exposed leaves me with a denominator of 32. And if you want to check that, every previous problem, everybody had 2 cards. So that's why the denominator was always 38. Here, there's an extra 6 cards exposed, and you can count those. All right, you can count those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are your extra 6 cards out there. All right. Now, based off of that, well, I see 2 aces exposed. So we're going to have 2 aces left over. Actually, let me see if I can. Hold on one second. All right, so the 2 aces left over means there are two aces left. For the 2s, 1, 2 exposed, so there's 3 left. For the 3s, I see 3 3s exposed, so there's 1 left. For the 4s, 1, 2, I think there's 2 4s exposed, so there's 2 left. And for the 5s, 1, 2, 2 5s left. So there, 2 and 3 is 5, 6, 8. I think there's 10 cards that are less than 5. Let's count 6 to king. I see 3 6s out there, so there's 1 6 left. 7s, I see 1 7, 2 7, 3s, I see 1 7 left. In the deck, there's 3 exposed. 1 6 left in the deck, there's 3 exposed. 8s. There's 1 exposed, so there's 3 left. 9s. There's 4 left. 10s. There's 3 left. Jacks, I don't see any, so there's 4 left. 3 queens, 3 queens. 3 queens, wow. 3 kings. 3 and 3 is 6, and 4 is 10, 13, 17, 20, 21, 22. So 22 and 10 equals 32. So I think that's it. Okay. Now, wins and losses. If I'm under 16, or 16 and under, I should say. Not under 16. 16 and under. If I'm under 17. There's only one way to win. The 22 cards that cause the dealer to bust, I cannot tie. There's 10 cards that beat me. I'm under 16 with player 5 as well. 22 cards that cause me to bust, 0 ties, 10 cards that beat me. When I'm at 17, there's 22 cards that beat me, but there's 2 aces that cause me to tie. 22 and 2 is 24. 24 and 8 is 32. 22 and 2 is 24. That's how many cards win when you have 18. There are 3 2s that cause a tie. 24 and 3 is 27. 27 and 5 is equal to 32. 24 and 3 is 27. That's the cards for winning with 19. There's 1 card, 1 3 in the deck that causes a tie, therefore there's 4 cards that beat me. And then finally, 27 and 1 is 28. There's 2 cards that cause the tie, and there's 2 cards that beat.